Welcome to the Getting Started video of Frame Drummer 2 by RDGAudio. Whenever you will open the plugins, you will get this interface. At the very left side you will have Factory and User Presets browser. You can select or save presets from here. Multiple Indian and Asian frame drums are packed in one plugin. It comes with 9 drum kits. You can select from this drop-down menu. These are the one-shot drum trigger panel. Frame Drummer has velocity sensitivity, which can be further tweaked from velocity knob present inside Settings tab. Here you can tweak the basic shapes of drums by modifying ADSR, filter and parametric equalizer controls. This is the Effects section. Here you can add compressor, reverb and harmonics. This is the Sequencer browser. You can create your own sequences for the instrument or choose it from the Presets browser. Frame Drummer has multi-tab user interface with resizable UI at the very right bottom corner, available for Mac and Windows as audio unit and VST3 formats. Download it now from RDGAudio.com.